Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. Today I'm bringing you an updated Ikoyi video because you asked for it. I'm going to be passing through just some parts of Ikoyi. I'm going to be pointing out where that building collapsed in this video, and I'm also going to pass through Ikoyi Club. So if this is what you like to see, sit, relax and enjoy this video, and please do me a favor, watch it to the end. Thank you. We are now on Bodilon Road. Femi Okuno Road to my right. Patrick's Court. Sisi Pari. The bright side of this building reminds me of Lego. The speed limit here is 40 kilometers per hour. The Ancestors Court. You have a good number of high-rise buildings in Ikoyi. ONIRU Road. Thompson Avenue. Ikoyi is home to a lot of affluent people living in Lagos, Nigeria. It's a high-end neighborhood. It's regarded as one of the most expensive neighborhoods in Nigeria, if not the most expensive. Straight ahead goes to Onikan Obalende Awolowo. Right can lead to Alfred Ruwani Road, Osborne, 3rd Mainland. Left to Lekki, Uzumba Mbadue, Akinadeshola Street. I'm making a turn here. Straight ahead, Bodilon, Alexander, Osborne. Construction of Queen's Drive use alternative roads. Please stay with me. I'm going to take you all the way to past Ikoyi Club Road. Security here is good based on the Nigerian standard. That is to say, individuals take extra measures to supplement what is on ground. The road is well maintained here. The road markings and color of the curbs are intact. Fancy cars come out to play in Ikoyi. This place has a beautiful ambience. Ikoyi is fast becoming a hub for high-rise buildings. This place is clean and very green. When you hear Ikoyi is expensive, you'll be expecting a super grand environment, but its luxury is largely in real estate. A luxury 4-bedroom penthouse could sell for 794 million naira to about 1 billion naira. A 3-bedroom apartment could sell for 734,500,000 naira. If you have an office here, some people may be scared of doing business with you because of the cost. So lots of businesses prefer to get offices in places like Victoria Island, St. Saviour's School, Ikoyi. If you're wondering why this road is so free, I shot it on a holiday. Lekki Toll Road. The value of property in this area is constantly on the increase. Ikoyi Lane. This place leads to Banana Island. Alexander. I have a video on Banana Island and it's going to be linked in the description, so you could check it out after this video. There are many apartments on this road. Please keep your eyes up. I'll show you where the 21-story building collapsed in November 2021. It's just after this crane building. That's the white high-rise building. There were 3 high-rise buildings here, only 2 are standing right now. Please stay with me, we're still getting to Ikoyi Club before we end this video. If you have not seen my video on Parkview Estate, it's going to be linked in the description. It's called Where the Rich Live in Lagos, Nigeria. Please leave me your comments in the comment section. I love to know what you think about my videos and also what you think about this neighborhood. If you have a particular place you'd like to see, you can send me a message via my Instagram handle. It's right there in the description. We are not taking this turn, but we're going through LEKKI Crescent. Some of the richest Nigerians live here and a lot of top offices are here in Ikoyi. Property here might not be as big as the newer places. Developers here buy, demolish and rebuild. A lot of wealthy, very wealthy Nigerians live here. This place has a beautiful ambience. Landscaping looks good. We are leaving LEKKI Crescent. Please stay with me, I'm still taking you to Ikoyi Club Road. The road here is great. It looks really solid. Lugard Avenue. Defense House to my right. Adekunle Lawal Road. We're coming out of Oba Adeyinka Avenue. We are turning into Ikoyi Club Road. I didn't expect the road to be like this. Ikoyi Club, global harmony through recreation. It's been so many years. We are back on Alfred Ruwani Road. Microsoft. Vento Furniture. Glover Road, King's Towers. If you would like to support this channel in any way, please check the link in the description and you can reach out. Thank you so much. Holloway Road. Bayokuku Road. Please do me this favor, help me share this video to people that might want to see something like this. If you got to this point, thank you so much. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Click here to watch the next video.